With a retail footprint of more than 500,000 locations, increased digital presence, a mix of transactional websites and mobile apps, Western Union's powerful cross-border platform moves money almost anywhere in the world, often in a matter of minutes. The president of Western Union Global Money Transfer, Odilon Almeida, wants to serve all of the value segments across the $600 billion person-to-person money transfer sector.
There are many segments in a cross-border cross-currency money movement. There is one segment that we call P2P, person-to-person. In that segment, Western Union has a very strong position today. There are other segments. There is C2B, B2C, B2B. In those segments, we believe we can be a very significant player. We believe that we can continue to grow our P2P business while strengthening our strategic position in those new segments.
Already experienced in moving small values with an average principal of $300, Western Union is leveraging its scale to move money in larger sums across more customer segments. This includes network size, regulatory understanding, retail and digital reach, and compliance infrastructure.
Western Union is very specialized today in moving small amounts of money. So, for example, if you want to send $50 from France to Morocco, we can do that. Now, we can also send up to $5,000, and we are preparing to expand that to $50,000 and more. There are many segments in the global money movement industry. There's the immigrant segment. There are executives sending money cross-border. There are people buying goods in e-commerce, business sending money to business. I believe we have tremendous potential. I believe Western Union is just starting the journey to become the market leader in the global money movement industry.